It was a very good experience. I was surprised. I was surprised by the quality of the projects, considering the size of the country. I think that the output is very promising. I think it is possible for a small country to have a strong output. Examples are given, for instance, by Iceland, also Israel, or Romania some years ago were countries that developed a cinematography in a relatively short period of time. But it is interesting because these three countries have nothing in common, so I cannot give you the recipe what Montenegro needs to develop a strong local cinematography. But the projects today were very promising. I think in general, in order to develop in a small country, you have to look outside of the borders, and the way to be recognized outside of the borders is to be uncompromising when it comes to the quality of the film, in particular on the artistic side.